Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick video I'm showing you how you can buy the Baby Doge token on the Binance application step by step. Well, for starters, it's not really possible to purchase or buy the Baby Doge token on Binance directly. So what you'd simply do is withdraw from your wallet. So you head over to the wallet section and you swipe to Spot Wallet. You select BNB, you click withdraw, you click send via crypto network, and we'll be sending our BNB to our Trust Wallet and then using Trust Wallet to purchase the Baby Doge. After copying the address, you paste it here and a minimum of 0.01 BNB. Okay, and you click on withdraw. And yes, the network is correct. It's smart chain. Yes. Click continue. And once you've passed the security verification, okay guys, and once you've passed the security verification, your BNB would be deposited in the Binance, in the Trust Wallet platform, where you simply head over to the toggle at the top right corner of the screen, where you simply search for Baby Doge. And here is Baby Doge on the BEP20 network. We are looking for Baby Doge on the Binance Smart Chain network. You click on that and you can click on Buy Baby Doge here, where you could simply use a minimum of $50, okay, $30 minimum to purchase, but it's not currently available now. So what we're going to do is you click on this arrow right here and copy its Binance Smart Chain address, minimize, and head over to the browser section again on Trust Wallet. Once it loads in, you scroll down till you find Pancake Swap. You make sure your wallet is connected. It needs to show disconnect for you to know your wallet is connected. Otherwise, you connect it manually. So what we're going to do now is simply select Cake and paste the address we just copied. As you can see, we have the Baby Doge now. You click on it. It's medium risk, so our slippage tolerance should be between 4% to 5%. We enter an amount that's 0.00001. Alright guys, and once you've selected the amount of BNB you'd like to use, set your slippage tolerance to 15% and you click on confirm swap. That's after entering the amount of BNB you'd like to use. A smart contract call pops in for a network fee of $1.37. But once you're able to pay this network fee, once you're able to swap this token, you'd have your Baby Doge in your Trust Wallet application. Alright guys, comment down below if you have any question concerning how you can get the Baby Doge on the Binance mobile application, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.